Tickets. Now.
Yeah.
Rough.
Lilo and Stitch. Rated PG. In theaters May 23rd. Get tickets now.
I can't believe you got pink eye, Ferris.
When you wake up with pink eye, you get your prescription fast with Walmart Express Delivery. I wonder what else Walmart could deliver that fast.
Oh.
Chicken?
Bueller.
Life moves pretty fast. If you're not using Walmart Express Delivery for your prescription, you could miss out.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a natural or man-made disaster, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.